Luckily, there was just this guy with a big white van and a lot of open space, so we just got in. And little Danny's like, I don't think we could go on much longer. And I was like, no, we must go to the soda bar. For the last time we were supposed to go to the soda bar, we could not.
Also,
Or I had been.
when have we called him Little Danny?
Baby on board. Baby, I'm never bored. Just can't take any.
Thank you.